Kendra, thanks. Talking COVID-19 now. An Upstate man is home after spending months in the hospital with the coronavirus. We started following Robert Barrios' story after learning about his diagnosis over the summer. His story now making national headlines as we're learning more about the long-term effects of this virus.
And only on Fox, Robert's wife talking to our own Brookley Cromer about his battle so far and what he's dealing with.
Well, as of today, DHEC confirms more than 171,000 cases of COVID-19 here in South Carolina. Now, of those cases, 168,000 people, nearly that amount, have survived. Now, Robert Barrios is one of the few that still is experiencing the long-term effects of the disease.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm home, okay?
This emotional video shows the moment Robert Barrios and his daughter were reunited after spending nearly 3 months in the ICU battling COVID-19. But Summer Barrios says her husband isn't the same and life looks a lot different right now.
Life's not the same.
Robert worked as an essential worker during the first few months of the pandemic and contracted the virus in late June. By July, he was on a ventilator fighting for his life, but eventually pulled through. After returning home, he started experiencing long-term complications from the disease.
My husband being a COVID long hauler now, it's meanings that you're just not the same as you were prior to being diagnosed with COVID. Some of the things that he's still experiencing, being COVID negative, is difficulty breathing, difficulty doing simple tasks. He's experiencing basically all over body pain. He still has tremors, headaches, definitely memory issues, memory loss.
Summer says more needs to be done to help survivors.
There needs to be definitely, some type of legislation, either on a state or federal level or both, that helps out people like us. My husband was once an essential worker, but now, we're struggling, to pay bills.
A GoFundMe page has been set up to help out with Robert's medical expenses. If you'd like to find out more, we have a link in our As Seen On section on our Fox Carolina News app. Reporting live, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina, the 11 o'clock news.